Hey, hope all is well with everyone. Guys, it is the third. It is the third of the seventh. So I do hope that you look at the podcast from yesterday. So welcome to episode 2. I'm trying my best to be consistent with it and giving you guys update and having like a little podcast show to continue my trading journey and experience. So I've been trading for the past 4 years in and out consistent. I have a bit of knowledge in the Forex market. I trade, I'm profitable. I do not need to prove to anyone that I am trading and I am profitable, but the way how I will be communicating on my channel is a way that I learn to understand the markets without playing greedy and just enjoying my skill and my trade and my patience and my time and everything that I have worked for. You know, so Forex has been a hell of a ride. It has been a tremendous journey. So if you guys are interested in trading, there's links in the description for you to sign up. Open up a demo account, take a trade, feel what it is like to be in loss or profit. Be excited about it and gain some knowledge and experience. Yeah. So yesterday I call out a trade. I didn't really call out a trade. I see what I was looking at, and that trade has been tremendously profitable for me today. I already took my money, I withdraw it, and I'm like, hey, I don't need to trade. I ain't even feeling to go to work tomorrow, because I secure the bag. But if I play greedy and I dive in back in the market tomorrow, you probably lost it. So, there's the days that you're playing greedy and you're confident and, you want to make more money and you're diving back the profits that you made today. You will lost it tomorrow and so forth. Yeah, I've been through all that, been there, done that. Yeah, so I will be trading on next week. I make sure I withdraw my money. Yep, that is a must and a plus. So I have secured two trades, Euro USD, GBP USD, all for the buys. That was on yesterday's episode. This is episode 2, so you can check out episode 1. I didn't think I label it or title it. So I do, guys. Yes, it is possible to foreign trade in the foreign exchange market. In Trinidad, there's all different style of trading. There are expert option, there are pocket option, all kind of options where you're trading fast, 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 and you're making profits in seconds, minutes, hours, etc. You know, um, I'm a person that just trying to find what works for me, what is not working for me. So yeah, so I'm that type of person is trying to find what is working for me and what is not working for me. So as I go along in my trading journey, right, I have been profitable for a while now. Um, yeah, do I lose trades? Oh, definitely, yeah, I definitely lose trades. You know, I lost a trade. I lost the trade today. I should not take the trade, but I believe it would have gone my favor. But I made up I made I make it back up by knowing what to do because I saw it was going direction, so I was like the direction I had planned out for, it was not going there. So I decided to you know enter a position in the direction it was literally going for. So Forex is all about the patience. It's all about patience and you having patience um in trading. Yeah. So this skill is not for everyone. You have to be strong. I'm telling you, you have to be strong to be in here. As I said before in my last podcast, we as Caribbean people, if we lend or we give 30 or 40 or 100, we watching that person bad, bad, bad. Um, yeah, so for those of you who is like that, this is not for you. It have no money here to make if you need it. Um, yeah, that's a good thing. I'll advise that if it is you are looking for money and you hear people talk about Forex and becoming financially free. See, this is not for you. This is not for you. If you're looking for money and you need money and you desperately need money and you have a 500, let me be real. You have a 500 US, you have a 100 US, you have a 50 US, you have a 40 US, and you want to flip it and make millions. This is not for you. And have the people who could do that, who have trading experience or who may be lucky, could do that. But if you had that, and this is not for you, because you cannot go back by the Forex company or the broker company and say, hey, I enter wrong position, I'll back my $50, I'll back my 40, I'm 100, not like that. Going to feel sick and it's still going to be owing on your bills. If you're a lucky person and you want to take chances, yeah, this is not play. So you want to take chances, try luck, but this is not a guessing game. It's a luck and chance. That's what they say. But if you learn the skill, you would know exactly when to buy, when to sell, etc. So guys, stay tuned for episode 3. I may post episode 3 tomorrow where we will talk a little bit about some stuff. I will have to write down my topics and be a little more prepared, be a little more planning so that the channel will grow. So support me by subscribing, liking, leaving a comment. Maybe I could talk about a specific topic. Someone did inbox me and they asked me about moving averages. What moving averages do I use? I look at for long terms, like if the market is going up, once the candles is above the 200 moving average, we are in a uptrend. If it's below the 200, we are in a downtrend. And then the other moving average to follow that would be the 100 moving average, and then etc. Just to know my directions, and I follow by other rules that I have. So that is that for the moving average. Yeah, so there's other things like session breaks and highs and volume and session periods and all these things. I could be wrong, somebody could be right, etc. But this thing is a patient game. It's all about the patient game. So you could be, for example, you could be in a position um, and you have the moving averages are really close, right? Candlesticks, everything is sitting on your moving average that you like. Let me say 100. Now the moving average is, let me get this clear. The moving average is not to say that price reach this, you take a buy or sell. No, moving average doesn't work like that. It gives you a guideline. For example, if it reaches here, what is in the area or in that area particularly for that direction to continue. So what you could look at is, let's say candlesticks is up, moving average below, the candlesticks come to the moving averages and everything is like tight together and like, hey, this is definitely going for a buy, so your analysis is a buy. And let's say you take that buy because it's ranging there, right? You take that buy. It start to go choppy whole day hours on your waiting. London session, Asia session, London session, in New York session, it turn in the evening and you just get fed up. And you say, oh God, this thing might bust down on me. And you see like one um, you know, red candle that engulf that candle and you start to get panicky and you just come out 2 hours later, you see this thing going in your direction, you be like, what? What I do wrong? You're asking yourself lots of questions. So Forex is Forex, guys. As I say before, the links are in the description. Feel free to open up a demo account. Forex is free to open, but as I say before, if you need a mentor, if you need information, if you need that thing has to pay to be paid for based on other person experience. So if you want to get into Forex, find a mentor and learn from that person who actually spend that time in Forex, and that could help you faster with your learning curve, because as I say before, everybody learns differently at a different pace. Some people learn some people may take a shorter period of time, some people may take a longer period of time. So if somebody has a course and they know what they're talking about, that could help you speed up your learning curve and learn from all the mistakes that that person made um in the past. Yeah. So guys, hope you have a blessed one and stay tuned. Maybe I'll try my best to make episode 3 on tomorrow.